Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Niwavyaia Itheka Uneeni wa President William Ruto Kana Ngaliko ya Ulei Niyanangite Uthyu Isyitwa ya Nthi ya Kenya. Gachagua Uneeni ya kanisani wa SCK kuye kauntini ya Kirinyaga aweta kana President Ruto Niwo wanangite Nthi ya Kenya kwa kwele lucha uthukumi kutoa isi oteti utena maendeleo na kuitikilia siko sio mama ikati wa maundu wange maudhuku. Otu Gachagua ni umbula kana Nthi niwe lungu ya mithandatu wala ni washano tona ukwama na kutambaita maundu maui Nthi ya Kenya. Bweni mutisia ena mauvo.
Rigathi Gachagua thina Uneeni wa Kuleana vanene na Uneeni wa President William Ruto Kana Ngaliko liende na uthukwanya nthi ya Kenya na kumyanangia Isyitwa. Gachagua olotakana President William Ruto niwe wanangite nthi no kwa wikonya maundu ni matailite na kukwata maundu mau mamai na makutekane nthi nyara kati wa mauthuku wengi.
I have heard the president say that we in the opposition are spoiling the name of the country. I want to tell him, no, it is not us. It is him. It is not us who told him to abduct children and kill them. That's how we got about them internationally. It is not we who told him to issue passports to criminals in Sudan. That is why our reputation as a country is bad. It is not us who told him to interfere with the internal affairs of Sudan and deal with the criminal groups. He is the one who is doing it.
Kila kingi Gachagua enda na utakende na nanga Uthyu nthi wa Kenya ni President kuenda na unena toitani na utege kwa nthi ya Kenya kulo ni wea wake na kulika maundu ni mauteti kila muthenya.
It is not us who have told him to abandon his duties as president and to engage in rumors and gossip on top of the car every day. It is him. If you look today, we have a big crisis in the agricultural sector. He announced publicly that there are 2 million bags of fertilizer in the stores. Today, there is no single bag. The planting season is here. The rains are here. Not a single bag of fertilizer. They are trying to blame the war in Iran. It's a lie. No arrangements were made to provide fertilizer for the Kenyan farmers. He has abandoned his work. He is top of the car, dealing with trivial and petty issues at the expense of the Kenyan farmers.
Wewe Ruto wewe.
Aendele uvulana na Nthi Gachagua wengine wawetakana serikali ya Kenya kwanza nivalukite vyonthe no thukumi na kukwata maundu mawiti aiwetakana wala ni washanthi niwe lungu mithandatu nutonya uvalanika na kutambaika na kutia masivitali thinani.
I have information that SHA will collapse in another 6 months and will have a crisis of unknown magnitude in the health sector. Today, as we speak, our hospitals, especially the faith-based hospitals, are owed 90 billion, and they are almost shutting down. I want to give very humble advice, unsolicited though, to our hospitals. If SHA collapses, all our hospitals will collapse and we'll have a big crisis. Our hospitals should demand immediately the release of the 90 billion they are owed before they render more services to patients who come. Because if they don't, and SHA collapses, and they are owed billions of shillings, those institutions will collapse.
Mutongoi TV, Ndeto, Mutisia.